Hello class, in this video we're just going to do a quick review of the rules associated with multiplying and dividing integers. So we'll start just with a nice quick example, 3 times 4, and we know from our previous learning that this question means that you have 3 groups, and in each group there are 4 units. So essentially you are saying 4, 4, and 4, which you all know is 12. Positive times a positive is a positive. If we move on to something a little bit more advanced, we could change the problem up and we could say 3 times negative 4. And since we have a positive times a negative, the rule says that that's going to give us negative 12. The reason that means we have 3 groups of negative 4. So if you have 3 groups of negative 4, add them all together, follow the integer rules, that's negative 12. Moving on a little bit farther, and the last rule that we have is when you take and you multiply two negative numbers. So negative 3 times negative 4. So a negative times a negative actually turns out to be a positive answer. The next video will tell you a little bit about why that happens. So make sure you watch that video if you need to know the reasons behind a negative times a negative being a positive. Those are the rules for multiplication, and they are exactly the same for division. If you want to divide two numbers, let's take 12 divided by 3. Both of the numbers are positive. The answer will be positive. If you want to do a negative and a positive, so different signs, you want to do 12 divided by negative 4, the answer will be negative. 12 divided by negative 4, because one of them is negative, that means the answer will be negative. If we switch that problem around a little bit and we do negative 12 divided by 4, it's still a negative and a positive, different signs, your answer will still be a negative answer. And finally, when you are dividing two integers or rational numbers and both are negative, negative 12 divided by negative 3, that will give you a positive 4. So that's it for this video. I hope it helped. Like I said, if you want to know why those rules work, watch the next video.